Speaking over loud, distorted wind noise, high-end 4K video is effectively useless if it sounds like this. You can have the most breathtaking visuals in the world, but the moment the audio is ruined by a gust of wind, the viewer's immersion is gone. Historically, capturing clean sound meant managing a web of XLR cables, mounting bulky receivers to cameras, and paying a significant premium for reliable wireless kits. It was a friction-heavy process that often forced creators to choose between audio quality and portability. This makes the current state of the audio market an anomaly. The company currently leading the move toward compact wireless microphones is best known for industrial drones, aerial mapping, and flight controllers. These recent hardware releases show a move toward total integration. By targeting both high-end specs and entry-level pricing at the same time, DJI is challenging the workflows that have sustained legacy audio brands for decades. The first move involves the Mic 3 bundle. DJI recently lowered the price of this flagship system to a record low $259, significantly undercutting the standard pricing for professional-grade wireless kits. This price point includes technology that was previously gated behind high-end gear. This map shows a 400-meter radius over a city grid. That is the transmission range of the Mic 3. When you combine that with a charging case providing 28 hours of total runtime, the performance-to-cost ratio shifts dramatically. The system includes internal safeguards like dual-track recording and dual-band anti-interference. These features minimize the risk of signal drops or audio clipping, even in environments with heavy wireless congestion. It also moves processing from the computer to the device itself. Users can toggle between 3 distinct voice styles: regular, rich, and bright, while using adaptive noise cancellation to filter out environmental sounds like air conditioners or street traffic before the recording is finalized. By repositioning the Mic 3 at this lower cost, DJI has redefined the baseline for entry-level gear. Features that were once considered premium luxuries, like long-range transmission and internal processing, are now standard expectations. As the Mic 3 saturates the high-performance market, DJI is launching a different kind of hardware, the ultra-compact Mic Mini 2. Despite its size, the device captures 48 kHz, 24-bit audio. However, as this scale shows, the transmitter itself weighs only 11 grams. It is roughly the same weight as a single metal coin. This miniaturization allows for a different approach to placement. Instead of a traditional heavy clip that pulls on a collar, the Mic Mini 2 uses a magnetic mounting system, allowing it to be positioned anywhere on a garment without distorting the fabric. To make the tech less intrusive, DJI partnered with illustrator Vic Do Ngai for the Time Series magnetic covers. These designs, Dawn, Surge, Blaze, and Glimmer, allow the transmitter to either blend into an outfit or be worn as a decorative accessory. These design choices treat the microphone as a clothing accessory rather than a utility box. It's a shift that prioritizes how the creator looks on camera just as much as the fidelity of the recording itself. This hardware is the entry point for a wider environment. Individual audio devices are pulled into DJI's unified ecosystem, known as Osmo Audio. The core is the direct connection protocol, which removes the physical receiver hub. The microphones communicate directly with the camera itself. This integration currently supports the Osmo Pocket 3, the Action 6, and the Action 5 Pro. For users of these cameras, adding a microphone no longer requires extra cables or mounting brackets. It simply requires turning the power on. Eliminating the receiver also lowers the financial barrier further. Mobile-specific setups now start at €59, with full kits priced at €99. Maintaining a pipeline that can launch these diverse product lines at such low price points requires the specific industrial density and supply chain speed found in the Shenzhen Tech Corridor. By lowering the cost of entry with the Mic 3 and removing technical friction with the Mic Mini 2, DJI has built a highly integrated workflow. For creators already using Osmo cameras, choosing a legacy brand now means sacrificing the native speed and simplicity that this ecosystem provides.